Hello on my channel. Today a recipe for a tasty potato casserole with minced meat and mushrooms. As always at the start of new viewers, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell and you'll be up to date with my recipes. I present a list of necessary ingredients. You can find the same list in the description under the video. Also under the video I add a link to the blog where you will find all my recipes. To start, we boil the potatoes. I have prepared 1 kilo. From boiling water, after this time we cool, drain and cut into slices. In a frying pan we fry 1 medium-sized onion. When the onion starts to lightly brown, we will start to add mushrooms. I have prepared 300 g of mushrooms chopped into larger pieces and we fry everything. Evaporate the water from the mushrooms, then add half a kilogram of minced meat, it can be any type, and fry until the meat loses its raw pink color. Don't fry it too long so it doesn't dry out later. Finally, season everything with salt, pepper, add 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of marjoram, and 2 cloves of garlic pressed through a press. Add 1 full teaspoon of tomato paste and mix everything, then take it off the heat. Now let's prepare the sauce for our casserole. We need 200 milliliters of cream. I used one with 8% fat content. Then we add 1 egg. For the entire casserole we need 200 grams of cheese. I have grated mozzarella here. I added 1/3 of this cheese right into the cream. Next I season it with salt, pepper, then mix everything together and start assembling our casserole. Put half of the potatoes at the bottom. My baking dish is 20 by 30 centimeters, but it's rather shallow. Add about 3 tablespoons of the prepared sauce and spread it over the potatoes. After that, put the sautéed meat with mushrooms evenly distributed. Then add the other half of the potatoes. Pour the remaining prepared sauce over everything. Spread it evenly, then sprinkle with the rest of the cheese. Bake the casserole uncovered at 180 degrees for about 20 minutes or until the cheese has a nice brown color. Bake it on the standard setting, not convection, and there you have it, simple and tasty.